Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing with my putty. It's not even putty, to be honest with you. It feels like slime. I had these little clear balls in them. Yeah, I had these clear balls in them. The good thing about this is you can hear the crunch in it. And so what we're going to be doing is just playing with it. The cool thing about this is you can do this. Can just come back like that. And so the fun thing about this is that it's fun like this, and it can just, you can roll up into a ball. It's not gonna form like that, but it is gonna form, but it's too sticky to be sure. Here, it made a shot in. This is what happens when you get your body stretched. Ooh. Imagine this is like strawberry milk on your hands. That's what exactly it feels like, because it's so sticky. Look, if you see this, hold up. If you see this right here, it's forming a little bit out, and so yeah, it's forming a little bit out. And then just this is your eternity and awesome. And so this, and so yeah, that's about it. I just got putty, and that's about it. So I'm gonna show you one more last thing before right now I'm trying to make a video every week. It depends on what stuff I have to do, because I'm about to go back to school in like August the 27th. I know kids are like, I don't want to go back to school, but when you go to college